Principles of solar tacking system. Solar calculation through Julian day sun declination and sunlight duration solar zenith and solar elevation angle in degrees. Solar azimuth angle in degree clockwise from north. Importance of true north.